To get the pec, you have a wall, bring your arm to the wall, and then you can step forward. And if you don't feel enough there, you can rotate your body away. So you get a good stretch right through your pecs here. Another variation is with a ball, or you can do it with a coffee table or a couch. Make sure that you're not sitting back on the heels. My arm is going to be at a 90-degree angle, and from here, I'm just coming down with my chest. My chest is coming down, not sitting back, not, all the way down. You should feel a good stretch right through your pec, and that's one of my favorites actually is with the ball.